And to the women's team now, following his appointment on Wednesday to the senior Reggae Girls head coaching position, Lorne Donaldson has set June 16 for the start of a training camp for the team, even as he puts together his coaching staff. Karen Madden has more.
With Jamaica losing precious time while the issue of a head coach was being disentangled following the Reggae Girls' fuss with former coach Vin Blaine, Lorne Donaldson has little time to adjust to the role he's returning to. The June 16 camp will be held in Colorado in the United States, where Donaldson resides, and where the team can benefit from training at high elevation ahead of next month's CONCACAF Championship to be held in Mexico, which is located at altitude. Donaldson told TVJ Sports on Friday that he's already had a virtual meeting with the players outlining what needs to be done quickly to get them prepared. The Reggae Girls are hunting a second consecutive World Cup berth, but must get by a tough Group A, where they are drawn against World Cup champions the United States, host nation Mexico, as well as Haiti. The Jamaicans are behind the proverbial 8 ball, as reports are that their opponents have already started their camps. Donaldson also confirmed that he has submitted potential candidates for the role of assistant coaches. The former Jamaica international would not be drawn into disclosing the names, pointing out that his recommendations need to be ratified by the Jamaica Football Federation. However, TVJ Sports sources say one candidate has vast experience with women's football, while a woman could also emerge as an assistant coach. It's also expected that Donaldson will draw on the backroom staff which was in place when the Reggae Girls made their debut in the 2019 World Cup in France. The CONCACAF W Championship will be held from July 4 to 18 in Monterrey, Mexico. 8 teams drawn into 2 groups will play in the tournament, with the top 2 teams of each group advancing to the knockout stage for an automatic spot in next year's FIFA World Cup in Australia and New Zealand. The 2 third-placed teams from the group stage will advance to the Interconfederation playoffs. The CONCACAF champion will qualify for the 2024 Summer Olympics, while the second and third-placed teams will advance to the CONCACAF Olympic playoff. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.